Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up Google Authenticator. Open Gmail on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab. Scroll down and tap on Two-Step Verification. Then tap on Get Started. Follow the prompts and choose Authenticator app. Tap Continue, then tap on Setup Authenticator. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. Enter the 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app into the provided field. Go back to the Authenticator app on your phone. Tap Get Started. Select your Google account email and tap Continue. Due to privacy, the screen will turn black. Copy the verification code displayed on your phone and paste it into the provided field. Click Verify. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the Authenticator app has been successfully set up. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.